Your work on it right on the road. Somebody's hat out of a van. Yeah. Well, good, you'll be able to get a picture of the accident.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We'll have it on film.
When we roll over.
How did this happen? I'll show you.
Workout.
Yeah, Kelly's going tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we go riding around the island and stuff like that. See some different shit. Yeah, when we first made this, my son, he was only 10 or 12 at the time. This is what he loved, driving in the back of the truck. It was so cool. And he had a beer.
Yeah.
Really drinking beer.
Cool.
And I looked down the beach where we were sitting there yesterday by the reef. And here's Kelly. Kelly met us at the airport with a pickup truck and a cooler, mixed gin tonics and beers. And then we drove up to the reef and look for Jesse. Here's Kelly. He's down on the biggest drug runner on the island, the speedboat. There's Jesse down there. Jesse's driving the boat. We're leaving the island, a big speedboat.
Oh wow.
Jesse's driving. Kelly and the owner of the house they're smoking reefers.
That's cool.
Oh, well,
Welcome to the Caribbean.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we were there, there was a murder right here at the grocery store beside us. There's the chalk line, the outline of the body on the right on the tarmac there beside us.
Like a stabbing or something?
Yeah, yeah, it was a brother, related, or relative, family dispute.
Yep. That
Not
happens.
uncommon down here. And that's all Friendship Bay. I'm sure you've been told all this stuff by Grant. I mean, he knows everything.
Some of it.
Yeah, that's Friendship Bay is big resorts down there.
Oh yeah. Nice.
And you go down around there, around the corner. It's a nice drive. You might want to go to the Turtle Sanctuary if you're into that sort of shit.
Yeah, we'll see how much time we got.
Yeah, even tomorrow. If we go around tomorrow, you'll see lots of stuff tomorrow.
Yeah. We got a couple of days.
Yeah.
This is more than I expected.
Yeah.
Way more.
Yeah, it's different. No hard and fast rules. Take your turns.
Yeah, just don't hit the curb.
That's right. Chapel Inn, they're all rental places and stuff like that. There's
Yeah.
lots of places around here that you can rent. And like even the Whalers Lodge is, Airbnb.
Yeah.
And it's a lot less, more affordable than Ginger Lily. You saw Ginger Lily when you went down to pick up the men, didn't you?
Yeah. It's expensive.
Oh yeah, but 10,000 a night.
Ooh.
But Karen and Graham stayed there. Jennifer and I and friends, we've all stayed there.
Mm-hmm.
Jesse. But it's too far away from town for me, but it's pretty cool. You're up in the living room, you're sitting in one splash pool, you look to the northern Caribbean, you see St. Vincent.
Oh no, that was a
You
beautiful.
walk across the living room, you're in the other splash pool, and you're looking down here.
Yeah, I was up there. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Wish I had a camera.
You see the whaling station over there.
Right.
Tide must be out, lots of waves.
Yeah, yeah. They don't come sailing through that part. That's for sure.
Nope. Vinlec, that's the local electrical authority.
Mm-hmm.
Green truck.
I think it's every once in a while somebody ends up with a truck in their backyard.
Oh
eh?
yeah, not uncommon. A couple years ago, this section of the road right here, from here across, was caving in. It's all undermining underneath.
Yeah.
So they rebuilt all this. It was scary because if this road collapses, this is the way to the airport to London.
It's the only way.
And there might be another route to the mountain. I have no idea where it is.
Yeah. Awesome. That includes us. Here we are at the Whalers. I'm getting out. I'm coming.